Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Friday. Our futurecast indicates a high pressure system remains in place over the interior of the country today, and along with that it's going to remain sunny, very dry but cool, especially for the central parts of South Africa. A little bit of high level cloud will be passing along the south coast. A cold front moves away to the east, having little effect on the country, while in the Lowveld and along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline we are expecting it to become partly cloudy. There may even be a couple of light showers just touching the north coast of KZN. And this is reflected on our rainfall probability map. A 20% chance for light showers north of Richards Bay, perhaps even affecting Swaziland and even Maputo later on. We are expecting dry weather on the other hand to affect the rest of South Africa. No rain in the forecast. Maximum temperatures for today, and we're expecting it to be quite warm for some areas in the Lowveld and the coastline of KZN, mid-20s for those areas. Similar on the opposite side of the country, a little bit of a Bergwind effect taking place. Vredendal gets to a high of 25. Cold for some parts of the interior on the other hand, 17 for both De Aar and Bethlehem. Johannesburg not much warmer at 18, while Pretoria and Polokwane reach that all-important 20-degree mark this afternoon. We're expecting southerly to southeasterly winds along the western coastline of the country. Langebaan gets to 25 kilometers per hour. Swells not too bad, only reaching a height of about 2 meters. Those swells will be increasing as we head further southwards at 2.5 meters around the Cape Peninsula, and a moderate southeasterly wind is expected for both False Bay and Hermanus. Light winds, on the other hand, are expected along the south coast at only 10 kilometers per hour for Plett and Mossel Bay. A southwesterly wind somewhat stronger for both Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, reaching 20 kilometers per hour. Swells elevated for this area, but Port Elizabeth, as usual, will be sheltered from those southwesterly swells, where those swell heights will only reach 2 meters. And along the east coast of the country, East London gets to 20 kilometers per hour, a southwester for that area as well. Light winds for Durban and Richards Bay, where swell heights will average between 1 and 1.5 meters. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Friday.